Alright, today what I'm making is a simple recipe called chicken fried rice. It's very simple. You take one small white onion, chop it up, and you take 1 cup of frozen peas and carrots, and you heat up the skillet to medium heat with 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, and you put in the onion and carrots and peas until it softens. Once that softens, we're going to move it to the side, which it is ready right now. Just going to move it over to the side, and we're going to add 2 lightly scrambled eggs into the side right here. Like that. And we're going to just scramble it up. Once that's scrambled, just lightly, we're going to mix the two back together. And then, once we have that mixed together, we'll add the chicken and rice. Now the chicken that I have here was barbecue chicken breast. I barbecued it a few weeks ago, and I had it in my deep freezer. And I thawed it out before I started this recipe. Thawed it out starting in the morning in the fridge. And we mix it all together. And the rice was a dish that I made 2 days ago. I had made rice with salmon and some other, and salad. So I'm just using that. So it's about 2 chicken breasts. You just tear them apart like that. And 3 cups of rice. And finally, we're going to add the 2 or 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, so we're going to add the rice in there and the chicken, and let that cook for a bit together. Let's mix it all up. Like that. Kind of hard to do it with one hand, but try. It's a bit light color now, but once you add the soy sauce, then it gives you that traditional brownish color that you're used to if you've had fried rice before, especially the takeout fried rice. Option, of course, with soy sauce is to use low sodium soy sauce if you don't want to use, if you don't want to have too much salt. Chicken, I'm assuming this would work also with the turkey or some sort of lean meat, or you can just go vegetarian and not add the meat at all. And I believe that this, I haven't tried it myself, but you can also do it with salmon. Just let it sit there for a little bit just to warm up, because the chicken and rice came out of the fridge. Okay. Once that's heated up, you can add in the soy sauce. So we're going to add, I put in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You hear the sizzle. Mix it all up. And since the soy sauce has a lot of salt, or has salt in it, you don't need to add salt to the dish. Also, the chicken that I had, the chicken breast, was a barbecue chicken breast with barbecue sauce, so that in itself also has flavors. And not to mention the rice, when you make it, add spices to it. I just add salt, so again, it's not blend, it has some salt in it. So here we have two types of proteins. We have the chicken and we have the eggs. And you just let it sit there just to warm up, but otherwise it's done. That's it. Then you can just serve and enjoy. Simple recipe made with leftover ingredients. Alright, see you.